Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 2 polynomial. First of all, I am telling you the definition of polynomial. A polynomial is an expression consisting of constant and variables that involves only operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponent of variable. For example, the polynomial is a combination of constant and variables which connected by addition, subtraction and multiplication, and the power of the variable is non-negative integer, or we can say the power of variable is a whole number. For example, 2x, x plus 7, x square minus 3, etc. This is 2, this is constant, 2 is constant and x is variable. So 2x connected by multiply. Okay. Here x and 7 connected by addition, and x square and 3 connected by subtraction, and the power of the variable is a whole number. Here 2, this is 1 and this is 1. Okay. So constant and variable, combination of constant and variables is connected by three mathematical operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the power of the variable is a whole number, or we can say non-negative integer. Okay. Now degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is called degree of the polynomial. Okay. For example, x square plus 3x plus 7, degree 2. Because in this polynomial the power of variable is 2, here power is variable 1 and here power of variable is 0. So highest power is 2, so degree is 2. 3 degree 0. Okay, this is constant polynomial, it has no degree, it is degree equals to 0. Okay, term of the polynomial. In a polynomial, x square plus 3x plus 7, x square, 3x and 7 are the terms of the polynomial. Okay, here three terms. This polynomial has three terms: x square, 3x plus 7. Okay, coefficient of the term. Coefficient of the term. Every term has a coefficient. For example, x square plus 3x plus 7. This is a polynomial. Term x square has coefficient 1. Term 3x has coefficient 3. Okay. Types of polynomial. Number 1, according to term. Types of polynomial according to term. A, monomial. A polynomial having one term is called monomial. Okay, this polynomial में सिर्फ only one term हो. For example, 2x minus के 7x raised to power 3 or 3 etc. These are the monomials. Binomial. A polynomial having two terms is called binomial. Okay, for example, x square plus 7, 3x cube plus 2x square, etc. Number C, trinomial. A polynomial having three terms is called trinomial. For example, x cube plus 3x square plus 8, x square plus 7x minus 2, etc. Okay. types of polynomial according to degree. Number 2. Number A, constant polynomial. A polynomial with degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Okay, example 2, 3, minus 7, etc. B, next, linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Degree 1. Example, x plus 7, x minus 3, 3x, etc. Number C, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, for example, x square plus 3, x square plus 7x minus 8, etc. This is quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, x cube, 7x cube is 7x cube, 7x cube minus 8x square plus 3x plus 4, etc. Number E, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. For example, 3x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square, etc. Clear? Now zero polynomial. Zero is called as zero polynomial. And it has, and the degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. Not defined. जीरो पोलिनोमियल की डिग्री डिफाइंड नहीं होती है. क्लियर? नाउ जीरो of a polynomial. What is the means of zero? वेरिएबल की वो वैल्यू जो पोलिनोमियल को, होल पोलिनोमियल की वैल्यू को जीरो कर दे, दैट इज कॉल्ड जीरो. अ रियल नंबर a is called zero of a polynomial a real number a is called zero of a polynomial px if pa equals to zero. if pa equals to zero यानी कि x को रिप्लेस किया a से और होल वैल्यू क्या हो गई, जीरो हो गई, तो a क्या हो गया, उस पोलिनोमियल का जीरो हो गया. जैसे सपोज करो एग्जांपल x प्लस 1 है, एक पोलिनोमियल है px, इसमें x प्लस 1, x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 पुट करता हूं तो p माइनस 1 क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 1 प्लस 1, तो माइनस 1 प्लस 1 जीरो हो गया, तो देयरफॉर माइनस 1 is a zero of the px. ठीक है, क्लियर? So another polynomial is x minus 3. Placing x equals to 3, तो p3 equals to जाएगा 3 minus 3, तो 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 पुट करने पर वैल्यू px की क्या हो गई, जीरो हो गई, तो 3 is a zero of the px. Number of zeros depends on the degree of the polynomial. A constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, तो डिग्री और नंबर ऑफ जीरोस. डिग्री 2, कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल डिग्री 0, नंबर ऑफ जीरो 0. लीनियर पोलिनोमियल डिग्री 1, नंबर ऑफ जीरोस 1. क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल डिग्री 2, नंबर ऑफ जीरोस भी 2. क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल डिग्री 3, नंबर ऑफ जीरोस 4. Number of zeros of a zero polynomial. Every real number is the zero of a zero polynomial. Okay, every real number means a zero polynomial has infinite zeros. Okay, now let us start exercise 2.1. Now exercise 2.1, question number first. Which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. The first question is, first part is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Since, तो यस लिख देंगे. Since the exponent of the variable is a whole number. So it is a polynomial in one variable. Okay. Number 2, y square plus root 2. Since the exponent of the variable y is a whole number, so it is a polynomial in one variable. Clear? Number third, t 3 root t plus t root 2. It is not a polynomial because the exponent of the variable t in the first term is not a whole number. Is not a whole number. देखो t के ऊपर क्या है, रूट है, तो इट मीन्स t के ऊपर पावर कितनी है, 1/2. 1/2 इज नॉट ए होल नंबर या इट इज नॉट अ नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर. ओके, सो it is not a polynomial. Clear? Now number 4, y plus 2 upon y equals to y plus 2 raised to power y plus 2 into y raised to power minus 1. This is no, because it is not a polynomial, because the exponent of the variable y in the second term is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Clear? Now last part of this question. Number 5, x raised to power 10 plus y raised to power 3 plus t raised to power 50. This is a polynomial in three variables, that is x, y and t, so it is not a polynomial in one variable. Clear? So now question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. We have to write coefficient of x square in each of the following. Question number 2, part 1, 2 plus x square plus x. Number 2, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Number 3, pi by 2 x square plus x. Number 4, root 2x minus 1. Coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. There are three terms, 2, x square and x, or coefficient of x square is 1. And in second, coefficient of x square is minus 1. In third part, coefficient of x square is pi by 2. And here coefficient of x square is 0 because it has no term of x square. Okay, so coefficient of x square is 0. Question number 3. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. We have to write one example of binomial of degree 35 and one example of monomial of degree 100. So binomial of degree 35, x रेज टू 35, एक वेरिएबल x है उसके पावर 35 लगाएंगे और बायनोमियल है इसलिए कोई एक टर्म हमने क्या कर दिया, प्लस कर दिया. मोनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 100, x रेज टू पावर 100. इसके मल्टीप्लाई में कोई भी हम टर्म लगा सकते हैं आप चाहें तो. बाकी x रेज टू पावर 100 इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ मोनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 100. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. राइट द डिग्री ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पोलिनोमियल. नंबर फर्स्ट, 5x क्यूब प्लस 4x स्क्वायर plus 7x. The highest power term is 5 x3. The highest power of the variable is 3, so degree is 3. Degree is 3. Second, 4 minus y square. The highest power of the variable is 2. So degree is 2. Number third, 5t minus root 7. Highest power of the variable is 1. So degree is 1. Number 4, 3. We can write it 3x raised to power 0. So highest power is 0. So degree is 0. Clear? Now question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Degree 2, degree 1 linear, degree 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic. Okay. X square, first of all x square plus x, degree 2 polynomial quadratic. Okay. Second, x minus x cube, degree 3 polynomial cubic. Y plus y square plus 4, degree 2 quadratic. 1 plus x, degree 1 linear. 3t, degree 1 linear. R square, degree 2 quadratic. 7x square, degree 2 quadratic. Now let us start exercise 2.2. 2.2. The question number first is find the value of the polynomial at x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 and third x equals to 2. We have to given a polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So we have to find the value of this polynomial at x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 2. So question number first is the polynomial is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Number 1, value of px at x equals to 2, x equals to 0. p is 0. 5 x को रिप्लेस करेंगे 0 से, 5 इंटू 0 माइनस 4 इंटू 0 स्क्वायर प्लस 3. 5 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0, 0 का स्क्वायर 0, 0 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 प्लस 3 इक्वल्स टू 3. सेकेंड, वैल्यू ऑफ px एट x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1. माइनस 1 पे इसको फाइंड आउट करेंगे वैल्यू. तो p माइनस 1, तो 5 इंटू माइनस 1, 4 इंटू माइनस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 3. 5 इंटू माइनस 1 दैट इज माइनस 5, माइनस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इंटू माइनस 4 माइनस 4 प्लस 3. तो माइनस 5 माइनस 4 माइनस 9 प्लस 3. दिस इज माइनस 6. ओके. थर्ड, वैल्यू ऑफ px एट x इक्वल्स टू 2. तो p2 x को रिप्लेस करेंगे 2 से, 5 इंटू 2 माइनस 4 इंटू 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3. 5 टू 10, 2 स्क्वायर 4, 4 4 16, 2 स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर 4, 4 4 16 प्लस 3. तो 13 माइनस 16 दैट इज माइनस 3. Okay, question number 2. Find the value of P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. Question number first. The polynomial is question number 2 part 1. Polynomial is Py equals to Py square minus y plus 1. So we have to find P0. P0 means 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 minus 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay. P1, 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel out 1. P2, 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 to the 4 minus 2 plus 1, 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5, or 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Clear? Now second part. Pt equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. तो P0 फाइंड करना है. T को रिप्लेस करेंगे 0 से. 2 प्लस 0 प्लस 2 0 स्क्वायर माइनस 0 क्यूब. तो 2 प्लस 0 माइनस 0 इक्वल्स टू 2. P1 T को रिप्लेस करेंगे 1 से. 2 प्लस 1 प्लस 2 इंटू 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 क्यूब. 2 प्लस 1 3, 1 स्क्वायर 1, 1 इंटू 2 2 माइनस 1 क्यूब 1. 3 2 5, 5 माइनस 1 4. P2 T को रिप्लेस करेंगे 2 से. 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2t 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 क्यूब. 2 plus 2 4, 2 square 4, 4 into 2 and 2 cube 8. So 4 plus 8 minus 8 equals to 4. Okay. Part third. X cube. Px equals to x cube. You have to find the value of P0, P1 and P2. So placing the value of x, first 0, 0 cube 0. P1, 1 cube is 1. Okay. And 2 cube equals to 8. Clear? Number 4. Part 4. Px equals to x minus 1 and x plus 1. P0, 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1, or 0 plus 1 is 1. We get minus 1. P1, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. 0 into 2 is 0. P2, 2 x को रिप्लेस करें 2 से. 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3. Now question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Px equals to 3x plus 1 और x की वैल्यू -1 by 3. यानी we have to check that -1 by 3 is a zero of this polynomial. Number 1. px equals to 3x plus 1. Value of x is minus 1 by 3. So p minus 1 by 3. 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 से 3 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1. That is 0. Okay. So, therefore, minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the px. Number part 2. px equals to 5x minus pi or x equals to 4 upon 5. p 4 upon 5 equals to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus pi. 5 से 5 cancel, 4 minus 5. Not equals to 0. So 4 upon 5 is not a 0 of the px. Number 3. px equals to x square minus 1. Minus 1 and 1. Okay. This is quadratic polynomial, so it has 2 0. First we check that minus 1 का square 1 minus 1 का square plus 1 plus minus 0. p1 1 square minus 1 minus 1 0. So minus 1 and 1 are the zeros of the px. Part 4. px equals to x plus 1 into x minus 2 and value of x is 1 and 2. So first we put x equals to 1, so p1 equals to जाएगा 1 plus 1 first we put x equals to minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0 into minus 3 equals to 0. minus 1 put करने पर p minus 1 0. p2 2 plus 1 2 minus 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 into 0 is 0. So minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of the px. Number 5. px equals to x square or x equals to 0. Okay, so p0 equals to 0 square equals to 0. So therefore 0 is the 0 of the px. Okay. Number 6. px equals to lx plus m, or where x equals to minus m upon l. So p minus m upon l equals to l into minus m upon l plus m. L cancel, minus m plus m equals to 0. So this implies to minus m by l is a 0 of the px. Clear? Now number 7. px equals to 3x square minus 1. So और x की वैल्यू गिवन है -1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. तो p -1 by root 3 इक्वल्स हो जाएगा 3 into -1 by root 3 स्क्वायर -1. 3 into 1 by 3 -1. 3 कैंसिल 1 -1 इक्वल्स टू 0. p 2 by root 3 3 into 2 by root 3 स्क्वायर -1. 3 into 4 by 3 -1. 3 कैंसिल 4 -1 is 3. Okay, so is not equals to 0. So -1 by root 3 is a 0 of the px, and 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of the px. Clear? Now number 8. Px equals to 2x plus 1 and x equals to 1 by 2. P 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 cancel, 1 plus 1 equals to 2 is not equals to 0. So 1 by 2 is not a 0 of the px. Now question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. We have to find the 0 of the given polynomial. Number 1, question number 4, part 1. Px equals to x plus 5. If px equals to 0, तो x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to हो जाएगा -5. px should be 0. 0 के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? px की वैल्यू 0 होनी चाहिए. तो x plus 5 को 0 के इक्वल कर दिया. x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? -5 आ गई. तो -5 is a 0 of the px. Number 2. px equals to x minus 5. तो if px equals to 0 हो तो x minus 5 0 के इक्वल हो जाएगा. तो x की वैल्यू +5 होगी. -5 को शिफ्ट करेंगे +5. तो +5 is a 0 of the px. Now number 3. px equals to 2x plus 5. If px is equals to 0, then 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So 2x equals to -5. So x equals to -5 by 2. So 0 of px is -5 by 2. Now number 4. px equals to 3x. If px equals to 0, then 3x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 by 3 is 0. So 0 px equals to 0. Now number 5. px equals to 3x minus 2. So if px equals to 0, then p 3x minus 2 equals to 0, or 3x equals to 2, so x equals to 2 by 3. So 0 of px equals to 2 by 3. Now number 6. Px equals to ax, where a is not equals to 0. So if px equals to 0, then ax equals to 0, so x equals to 0 upon a is 0. So 0 of px in this case is 0. Now number 7. Px equals to cx plus d. If px equals to 0, then cx plus d equals to 0. So cx equals to minus d. So x equals to minus d by c. So 0 of px in this case is minus d by c.